If you've never made polenta wedges before, let me introduce you to this crispy snack. These rosemary polenta wedges are golden and crunchy on the outside, tender and soft on the inside. Start by warming oat milk, water, and a little salt on the stove. Then, slowly whisk in your cornmeal, stirring constantly to keep it smooth and lump-free. After just a few minutes, it thickens up into a rich, creamy polenta. Stir in dried rosemary, then press it into 2 lined cake pans. Cover it well, press it down firmly, and chill it until set. This part is key. It helps the wedges hold together and crisp up beautifully. Once firm, cut each round into wedges. They may be a little soft, but just work gently so they don't fall apart. Brush them generously with melted rosemary butter and bake for 20 minutes. Flip the wedges, brush lightly with more rosemary butter, and bake for another 10 to 12 minutes until golden and crisp. They're especially delicious served with marinara, pesto, or a creamy vegan aioli. Serve as an appetizer or side dish, and it's great for dipping into marinara or your favorite dip. Simple ingredients, big flavor, and the perfect crunchy bite. Pretty easy to make, huh? Find the full recipe details at nutsandtwigs.com.